that was important in the past, that is important today, and that will be really important in the future. I think the biggest change is the power of the future is a collective. So we as humans have to understand how to use and how to activate this power of the collective. And there are two perspectives. One perspective is the collective in rituals. Rituals as like coming together for breakfast or for lunch, celebrating success, listen in the town hall to your CEO about strategy and vision. And second is to co-create. Reinventing a company depends on co-creation. And these tools, these both setups are based in the collective. So what you should think is, how could you increase your work with the collective instead sitting alone in front of your machine? That's super interesting. I had a conversation yesterday with a university in California. And so a leader should be on one side a leader and a rebel. As a leader, you provide guidance and orientation in these uncertain times. You give direction to the unknown and you give stability. As a rebel, you challenge your team or you challenge your coworkers to go beyond, to be brave, and also to bring them from a fixed mindset into a growth mindset. That, I believe, is a role from a leader in the future. Look around. Try to understand the talents of your co-students around you. What could you learn from them? How could you combine your talents and their talents and make something new out of that? Often, if you think startups, they're a great example where the collective, so the combination of several talents, bring out something new. And the other thing is, you should not spend the entire time with the same pack of students. You should install some kind of blind dates, but blind dates in terms, I want to know, why are you here at the university? What are your personal interests? What do you want to learn?